Now that you have your new upgraded lenses from the Sunglass Fix, it's time to install them. Let's start by removing your scratched lenses. Because metal frames come with tiny screws, we suggest that you do this over a table or cloth to catch any small parts that may fall and get lost. First, you'll need to locate the screws, which are usually on the underside of the sunglass frames. Be careful not to confuse these with the screws on the hinges where the sunglass arms move. Once you've found the screws and have determined whether you will need a flathead or a Phillips head screwdriver, you are ready to loosen the screw. Get a nice firm grip on the frames and gently turn the screw a few times to loosen the frame. With one hand on the lens and the other on the frame, gently pulling it up, apply some pressure from the back of the lens and it should pop out easily. Another option is to take the screw out completely, but we recommend just loosening it so that all the screws and components stay in place and you don't lose any small parts. Now that we've got the old lenses out, let's get the new ones in. To install your new lenses, bring the lens in from the front of the frame, lining the bottom of the lens up with the bottom of the frame. Apply some pressure to the lens until it pops into place. Once both lenses are in the sunglass frames, tighten the screws and do a final safety test by applying some pressure on the lenses to ensure they do not pop out of the frames. Enjoy seeing clearly again through your new sunglass lenses with the Sunglass Fix.